Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to buy gift cards with Google Play Balance. First things first, we'll have to choose on what specific gift card that we'll be purchasing. Now, I'm gonna be using Amazon gift cards as an example. We'll be purchasing a gift card directly from Amazon using our Google Play Balance. Once you're here, just simply search for gift cards. Now, just simply choose whatever gift card that you would like to purchase, since it's just dry on this one right here. Now, once you've chosen the specific gift card to where you would like to purchase, and once you're here, just ensure that your Google account has already been logged into the browser that you're using. Once you hit on Buy Now, you should be able to see Google Play as one of your payment methods. Just simply hit on Confirm, and you should be able to purchase it using your Google Play Balance. So, that is how you purchase gift cards using your Google Play Balance. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.